Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to MindvexX Lab. Imagine this. You're in a conversation. No one's arguing. No one's raising their voice. But the other person is already doing exactly what you want. And they have no idea you're the one pulling the strings. Today I'm handing you something most people will never know. 5 dark psychology tricks that let you control anyone, silently. No manipulation that looks obvious. Just pure, invisible power that works in every relationship, every negotiation, every room you walk into. I've tested every single one of these in real life, and the results still give me chills. But listen, power like this comes with a warning. Use it to protect yourself. Use it to level up. Use it to build the life you actually want. Don't become the villain. You ready? Let's dive in. Trick 1. The silent mirror. This one is scary because it works in under 60 seconds. When you're talking to someone, start subtly copying their body language. Not like a clown, but delayed by 3 to 4 seconds. They lean forward, you lean forward a little. They touch their chin, you do the same. Their voice gets softer, yours drops too. Your brain is literally wired to like people who feel like me. By mirroring, you bypass their conscious mind and slip straight into their subconscious. I used this once in a tough meeting. The guy who was dead against my idea suddenly started nodding and said, "You know what? You're right. He still doesn't know why he changed his mind." Trick 2. The deadly pause. Most people are terrified of silence. You're going to weaponize it. Next time someone is explaining something or trying to say no to you, just stop talking. Hold eye contact. Let the silence sit there for 5, 6, 7 seconds. The pressure builds. Their brain starts filling the gap. 9 times out of 10, they'll keep talking, and they'll reveal exactly what you need to know, or they'll agree just to break the tension. I swear, this one feels like mind control with the mute button. Trick 3. Emotional anchoring. This is straight up dark psychology gold. When the person is laughing, excited, or feeling really good around you, you do one tiny consistent action. Maybe you lightly touch their shoulder, or you say a specific word like powerful or unstoppable in that moment. Later, when you want them on your side, you repeat that same touch or that same word. Their brain floods with the same positive emotion automatically. I've seen people go from cold to completely open just because I dropped one anchored word. It's like pressing a hidden yes button in their mind. Trick 4. The scarcity shadow. Never be too available. The moment you become a little harder to reach, their brain starts valuing you more. Send that voice note instead of replying instantly. Show up late by 7 minutes to the coffee meet. Post less on stories. Suddenly they're the ones chasing you, asking questions, trying to keep you in their life. You didn't say a single manipulative word, but you just flipped the power dynamic without them even noticing. Trick 5. The invisible favor. This one hits different. Do one small favor for them when they least expect it. No big deal. No, you owe me. Just something thoughtful and quiet. Their brain is programmed by evolution to repay favors. They'll feel this invisible pressure to return something bigger, and they'll do it happily because they think it was their own idea. I've watched people go from "I don't know" to "I'll handle it for you" just because of one small silent favor I did weeks earlier. Pause. Music drops to a low hum. Screen shows subtle pulsing brain graphic. These aren't party tricks, guys. These are the same techniques top negotiators, leaders, and yes, even some dangerous people have used for decades. The difference now? You know them. So the real question is, which one are you going to test first? Drop it in the comments right now. Number 1 to 5. I read every single one. If you want more raw, no BS psychology that actually raises your power, your mindset, and yes, even your testosterone-driven confidence, then smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Like this video if any of these tricks hit you hard, because I know at least one did. And comment your favorite trick below. Let's see who's actually brave enough to use these in real life. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp. Stay dangerous. In the best way possible. Peace.